Hey everyone, welcome back to another room tour here at RK Travel. Today we're checking into the Epicurean Hotel in Tampa, part of Marriott's Autograph collection. This boutique hotel is all about food, creativity, and luxury, and it really shows from the moment you walk into the beautifully designed lobby. We'll start there and then head up to the one king bed classic room, featuring a stylish king bed setup, a comfy lounge and workspace, a bathroom with a walk-in shower, and a curated minibar with premium liquor selections available for purchase. Let's dive in and take a look around. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more room tour videos just like this one. Thanks so much again for joining us on this Epicurean Hotel walkthrough here in Tampa. If you're into boutique hotels or foodie-inspired hotels, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more room tours and hotel reviews from RK Travel. See you in the next tour.